right, guys, where's the wheelbarrows? We need to get them wheelbarrows over here so we can throw the dirt in. I'm here, boss. Good. I need you to get that wheelbarrow there so the guys can throw the dirt inside of it. Yes, sir. Boss, I think we hit something. What? Well, we're waiting for it. Scoop it out. Okay, boss. Ah, damn. More shell and limestone. More shell and limestone. This is definitely a shit fest right here. Damn. Have we get down to those pipes yet? No, we're still working on it, sir. Okay. 2 jackhammer teams are not gonna work. We need more than 2. We need at least a couple jackhammers in the ground. Make the job a lot faster. For Christ's sakes, everybody. This is a shit fest of a job right here. This job's a pain. Alright. Jackhammer crew, get in there and start drilling. I need you, and I need more than 2 of you guys. Yes, boss. We need more than 2 jackhammers. Alright, boss, we're gonna get more jackhammers here. Alright. We gotta get another jackhammer crew here because we need more jackhammers. This is gonna be a damn pain drilling through all this. How many jackhammers do we need, boss? Enough to cover the whole entire work here. Like, holy hell. I never dealt with a damn job this damn difficult in my entire life. We got more jackhammer guys, sir. They're running a little late today. Where the hell were it's taking them so long? They were busy with all the other crap. All right, get them in there. I need a full jackhammer team in there. I don't have all day. I want an entire jackhammer team in the hole. But how many is that? Enough to drill. I don't have all damn day. I need enough crew to drill here. Hey, foreman. Oh, hey, hey, boss. Are you trying to get these guys to do their job here? Yes, boss. I'm working so hard to get them to do it. Well, you're the foreman. You're supposed to get in there and help. You're supposed to give them order and jobs to do, not just allow them to stand around. I'm not allowed to stand around, my boss. I'm trying to get them to do all the work they need to do. Okay, you continue on. Yes, boss. Come on, guys. I just got my ass chewed out. So you guys are not doing your damn job. Move it. Okay, boss, we just drilled through it. Good. Now step out of the hole. Everyone else get in there and clean the hole out. Yes, boss. Oh, hey, boss. How are you? Oh, I'm pretty good. How about yourself? Our, we're trying. We're all trying. It's a hell of a mess there over there, boss. There's a there's a lot of limestone and stuff in there. Yeah, kind of figured that. This road has always been a problem drilling. Yeah, that's a pain, boss. Ah, I'm directing the traffic. How wonderful is that? Me directing the traffic. Mm.